Okay guys, so we just noticed that this is all the way to the other side, so we're gonna have to do something here. So we already put it in place. This is the full trim for the rear seat for this Lexus 2004. We cut the excess in this side and we start to trim this other side. I just realized that I need to put it in the floor so I can have more leverage. So I'm gonna do that so I can compress the phone and get my trim in place. And yes, it took some time guys, but I trim it all around perfectly. Yeah, it takes some leverage. I do it in the floor, I squish on it, and I trim it. So the next thing is to work in the corners. This one's right here, so we just want to hide all these sections so we can do our fully trim. Let's accommodate the carpet here. These are good. So for this side guys, I am gonna put a heartring. For this flap. Gonna see in a minute. So that was the hiding of this section right here. That one is done. And all we did guys was preventing the removal of the cover so we can do all the other trimming. So that's how we wait. And I'm gonna do now the same in this side. Okay, guys, we successfully trimmed the front. We got our material in the side and we have it in here. Now it's ready for the assembly. And the way we're gonna do that, we're gonna put the lean back first, I think. Yes. We're gonna open this hole so we have access to the bushing. It's gonna require to be in an angle somehow because it's not going all the way up. Yeah, it has a spring mechanism. So we're gonna have to find a way to put the two right here. These are bushings, so it has to lock in place first. So that's the first thing. Once it's locked in place, we're gonna be able to move to the next one. So I'm gonna have to change approach because of the way that it's looking. We put this one on the floor and the other one on top. So let's do that. Let's see if it is way the transition is more smooth. So I got it in the first one, so I'm gonna do the same here. It needs some pressure because this one goes into the bushings, guys. That's my first one. Now I have to fold it so I can go to the second one, and that's the tricky part because they have to enter at the same time. So one way to do that is to put the bolt in place so it doesn't lose the alignment. So yeah, so it helps us to move it slightly without getting completely off. So it's kind of like that. And now we're gonna move our backrest back, and we have to pry it so it can move to the stage 2. That one did it. Let's do the other one. And there you have it. but this one is for this side, that one is for the other side, because I changed size. So